Hello from Gardening at Dwensa in Ireland, and today this is a quick video just to show you a few plants that are looking super in the border right now. And as you've probably guessed, this is the border I want to talk about, so we're just going to move in here and see what we have. And I absolutely love this Calycanthus. It's a bush and the cultivar name is Hartlage Wine. And just look at the flowers, they are amazing, absolutely fantastic. And by happy accident they're flanked by this species Chrysanthemum. The colours just complement each other so well. Now that chrysanthemum is loved very much by the hares that tend to populate my garden in summer, but this year thankfully no hares, touch wood. And I just think they make an amazing combination. And just moving slightly over here, we have an Alstroemeria, and this one is called Verona, I think, but a nice tall one. The tall ones are always the best in my opinion, but how exotic are those flowers? Just fantastic, complete with markings and insects. I think it's super. What else do I have here? I have a variegated Liriodendron, which is the tulip tree, which unfortunately doesn't do the nice autumn colour that we buy the Liriodendron for in the first place. And this part of the garden you know quite well already. I suppose, just panning over here, I might show you my Hosta Empress Wu, which is looking the biggest it's ever been. And this is a hosta that responds really well to feeding and watering, which I don't do, but it is really quite big now. It's supposed to be the biggest of all the hostas, so super. And down here we have the Dipelta, which is just turning its flowers into bracts really at this stage. And that is a sight, a glorious sight when it's in full flower. Okay, so that was my mini look at one of these borders. And this border of course was originally a lasagna bed, like many of the borders in my garden, and now it's a well-established part of the garden. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you check back again for lots more gardening and plant fun. Bye for now.